Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to convert image to a PDF file. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up a web browser, and after that just simply search over here Google Docs. And now from here just simply click on the first one, and after that just simply go for the blank document. Now from here just simply go to the insert at the top left, and after that just simply go for image, guys. And from here, just simply upload from your computer, or you can search for web, or you can go for drive, photos, or camera, or by URL. So I'm gonna go for my upload from computer, and let's say I'm gonna use my logo for example, and select it, and just simply click on open. Now from here, guys, just simply resize the photo if you want, and just simply place it in the middle if you prefer. And after that, just simply go to the file on the top left corner, and then go for the download. And from here, you should be able to see here PDF. Click on it. Now from here, guys, just simply name the PDF file. I'm gonna go for photo 1, and I'm gonna save it on the desktop over here. Click on save. And after that, when we go to our desktop, as you can see, we should be able to see the PDF with the picture on it. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.